PicPicAI just launched, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in, especially if you're into content creation, digital marketing, or running any kind of online business. This isn't just another AI tool. It might actually replace multiple apps you're already using. And yes, you can try PicPicAI completely free from the first link in the description below. I'll show you why that matters in a second. But what's coming up is a real game changer, especially if you care about speed, quality, and standing out online. So let's dive into it. First, PicPicAI is an AI image generator, but not like the ones you've already tried. It's optimized for ultra-fast generation of branded images, product mockups, social media content, and even profile pictures that look studio shot. The quality is shockingly good, even when compared to big names like Midjourney or DALL-E. What sets it apart is how intuitive and beginner-friendly the interface is. You don't need to be a prompt engineering wizard here. Whether you want clean white background e-commerce shots, Instagram-worthy lifestyle pics, or surreal art, you just describe it in a sentence or two, and PicPicAI handles the rest. Now, here's where it gets powerful: the branding and customization features. You can upload your own brand colors, logos, or product photos, and the AI will actually incorporate them into the generated content. That alone saves hours if you're doing client work or running ads. Another crucial thing, PicPicAI doesn't just stop at static images. You can turn images into dynamic visuals, apply filters, variations, and even upscale or refine results without starting over. It's like Canva and an AI generator merged into one. Also worth noting, you own the rights to what you generate, which isn't always the case with other platforms. So you're free to use the images for commercial use, websites, ad campaigns, whatever you want, no licensing headaches. And let's talk speed. Generation time is lightning fast. You can go from idea to polished visual in under 30 seconds in most cases. That makes it ideal for marketers who need to iterate fast. One more thing, PicPicAI includes built-in templates, designed for e-commerce, content creators, and social media marketers. This is rare in new AI software. Instead of starting from scratch, you get a jumpstart with conversion-optimized layouts and visuals. I've tested thousands of AI tools. This one surprised me. The results are high converting, clean and customizable, and the free tier is generous enough to really try it out properly. If you're serious about using AI to boost your workflow, you'll want to see how this stacks up against the tools you're already using, because it might replace 3 of them overnight. Again, the link to try PicPicAI free is right below. Give it a spin. And if you want my top recommended AI software after testing thousands, scroll down to the description. I've listed the ones that are actually worth your time and money. Try it out, see what it creates for your business, and I'll catch you in the next one.